Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stamp App Demonstrator in Australia. I am super late with this video, but it's okay because this is going to all work out really well. So I am super behind in sharing January's tutorial bundle as well as the Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial bundle, but don't worry, if you've ordered in the month of January, you received those both the bundles if you spent over $65. But I'm offering it also in February because I have been a little slack in bringing these to you. So that is the card that I'm using. I'm using the One More Year stamp set. This is in the new mini catalogue, page 59. It's awesome. I love this one. Dog, we've got a cake, we've got wine and cheese, and we've got some great sentiments as well. So I really love this set. I'm using Lost Lagoon and Pretty Peacock ink, stylish shape dies. These beautiful embellishments. Now these are part of the Friends of the Ocean suite. Love them. They are really pretty. They're called Sunny Day Iridescent Dots. Okay, so let's get started. We've got a piece of basic white thick card base. I've got a piece of Lost Lagoon cardstock, Pretty Peacock cardstock that I'm die cutting a little frame with using the stylish shape dies. And then I've got some basic white thick cardstock as well for some stamping with the sentiment and the puppy dog there as well. So I've just created my frame. I'm going to stamp my puppy dog first in Memento Tuxedo Black ink. That's just to let that dry. We're going to use stamping blends to colour that in. And the blends I'm using are Crumb Cake, Petal Pink, Lost Lagoon and Pretty Peacock. So some great colours there, just tying in the colours that I've used for my cardstock. And I'm going to stamp in the Lost Lagoon cardstock, Lost Lagoon ink, and I'm just going to randomly stamp that beautiful, huge birthday cake. I don't think I've ever had a cake like this for my birthday, and it looks amazing. So we're just going to randomly stamp that around. I'm also going to stamp with Pretty Peacock ink my sentiment as well as those little dashes around the frame. So while we're doing that, because it's pretty self-explanatory, I love this card. It's so simple, but a really cute one. This is just one of the tutorials in January's tutorial bundle. Now, because I was a little late in getting this video out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to offer the February bundles and the January bundles together. So if you haven't placed an order yet and you would like to earn both bundles, place an order in February using February's hostess code, which is in the description of this video. If for any size order, you'll receive both January and February's Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial bundle, which is amazing. If your order is over $65, you'll also receive on top of the Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial bundle, you'll receive the January and February tutorial bundle. So this one here as well as February's. And they will be sent to you via email. So if you would like a double up of bundles, go ahead and do that. Now, that's if you order a $65 order before postage. Now, if you spend $100 before postage, you can also earn yourself some free celebration products, which, you know, there's stamp sets, there's bundles, there's DSP, there's embellishments, there's ribbon, there's lots. So go over and check those out. It's a great way of getting a few extra craft goodies at a great, you know, extra discounted price. So there we have it. So I'm just colouring in my little puppy here, and we're going to fussy cut that one. There is no dies with this set, but all the images, you know, are fairly easy to be able to cut out with your scissors, so it's not going to take too long. And this card is super simple. I'm trying to keep my tutorial bundle projects really simple because, you know, that just makes it easier for beginner stampers. And you know, we all start somewhere, and I think, you know, even if you're a bit more avid stamper, you could certainly take this design and boost it up a little bit by adding a few extra layers and all those things. So I'm also going to cut down my sentiment piece here just to make sure that it sits nicely across the frame there. Now, January and February, we're past January, but February up till the 28th of this month is a great time to join Stamping Up and purchasing the starter kit. There's a great offer throughout the end of this month where you purchase a starter kit for $169. You get to choose $235 worth of product. You'll also receive as an extra gift, there's two choices. Option one is a choice of 2 marker sets. Now they're in the color family, so subtles, regals, brights, and neutrals. So you can choose 2 of those. So that's 20 of our Stamp and Write markers, because there's 10 in each pack. You also will receive a stamp set which is called Handmade Designs. So that's option one. That's extra value. It's worth $162, which is amazing. Option 2 is you can choose $51 of Australian products absolutely free in your starter kit that you get to choose. So honestly, $162 against $51, I know which one I'd be going with. It's a great little bundle, and you can see all the information on page 16 of the Celebrations catalogue, so go over and check that out. If you have any questions and you're living in Australia and you would like to maybe join my team, the Inky Stampers, reach out. I would love to chat with you about that. It's a really great deal, and you know, you get some great freebies for nothing. And there's no lock-in contract or anything like that. It's just a really great deal. And here are these beautiful sunny day iridescent dots. They come in 4 different colors, and I've just gone with I think they're pool party ones, which are really nice. So there we have it. If you would like to shop with me, don't use that for host code, but use that my online store address there. And yeah, I think that's everything. I'll be back with a video with the Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial bundle in the next couple of days, so look out for that. And yeah, I hope to sort of find a rhythm again and get back into it a little bit more than I have. Enjoy your day, everyone. Bye bye.